Today we are going to work with our super ingredients for fast hair growth. Ensure you stay to the end of this video so that you will see how to prepare this and how to make use of it for your hair. Now, why are we going to make use of this ingredient? Why is this ingredient more potent than the other ones that you have tried? I'm going to be giving you the benefits of this ingredient and also the benefits of using these three ingredients together. If you want your hair to grow out and become thicker and fuller, or if your hair is becoming bald and you want to grow it out, then you want to stick around and watch this particular video to the end. This video is going to help you grow out your hair massively. Clove is not new when it comes to hair growth or the hair industry. Clove is loaded with various health benefits, and it also helps to improve the flavor of your meals. Here are some surprising benefits of using clove for your hair growth. Number one, clove helps reduce dandruff. There is no way that your hair is going to grow the way it is supposed to if there is dandruff on it. Clove has an antimicrobial properties which can help to reduce dandruff and also prevent itchy scalp. Itching or scratching your scalp all the time is also causing breakage. You don't want to be scratching your scalp when you want to grow out your hair. Clove also helps to strengthen the hair. It contains antioxidants and beta-carotene, which helps to maintain long and healthy hair. Cloves also enhances blood circulation to the scalp. You know the importance of blood circulation is going to help your hair grow out faster. That is why many people do head massage to help their hair or to help the blood to circulate in their scalp to also help them grow out their hair faster. Clove is packed with eugenol and vitamin K, which enhances blood circulation to the scalp, and it also stimulates hair growth. Cloves have to prevent hair loss because it contains vitamins and minerals like iron, potassium, all of which helps to strengthen your hair and prevent hair loss. The antioxidant in cloves is going to help restore your hair pigment level and also prevent your hair from getting damaged. Next, we are going to take a look at rosemary. Rosemary is also not new because rosemary, apart from being used in our food as spices to spice up our meals, this stuff over here is very good for growing the hair because it contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that tend to stimulate hair growth and reduce hair fall. It helps to stimulate blood supply to the hair follicles and also strengthens the hair. So rosemary can help with other hair issues such as split ends, and it also helps to control dandruff. Now you see, this is the reason why many hair care companies and hair growth companies have rosemary in their product. That is because it has been proven time and time again that rosemary works well for stimulating hair growth and growing longer hair and growing out bald hair as well. The ingredients of this hair growth spray that we'll be making is black seed. Black seed is very powerful. Yes, black seed is not just for your health benefit. It's not just for getting rid of health problem and all of that. Black seed also helps with hair growth. Black seed has numbers of medicinal and beauty benefits, which includes promoting hair health, reducing hair loss, and easing acne, inflammation, lowering blood sugar levels. Yes, there are so many benefits, but for this video we are going to be using black seed for hair growth. Black seed is one of the best natural remedies for hair, as it contains almost everything you need to nourish and maintain your hair. So imagine not having this black seed in your hair growth regimen. You are going to be missing out so many things or so many benefits that you need for your hair to grow out faster and longer. So we are going to head right into preparing this hairspray because I don't want to keep you much longer. So for this hairspray, I'm going to get a bottle. This is from a bottled water. So I'm going to infuse it in this water. I'm going to infuse this guys in this water. So I'm going to take, this is half tablespoon of clove, and I'm going to put that in here. I'm also going to take my rosemary, another half tablespoon of rosemary. And then my black seed. So I'm also going to take half tablespoon of black seed into this container. Why I'm putting it in this container is because I'm going to be leaving this for 3 days and I need something that has a cover like this. So it is not compulsory for you to put yours here. If you have something else, maybe a mason jar or something that's, you can just a jar or any other container that you can use to store this and ensure that it has a cover to cover it up, then you can as well use it. I'm going to add the next ingredient is water. So I'm going to add water to this to infuse it. This is the hair growth spray we just prepared. You can see all the ingredients. I'm going to shake it up for it to mix. So we are going to leave this in this container for it to infuse. We are going to leave this to infuse for 3 days. 3 days. So what you are going to do is to keep this in a cupboard. Keep it in a dark place. Why I said cupboard is because I want you to store this in a dark place. Unless you put it in a dark container, you should store this in a dark place. And every day, every single day, day 1, day 2, day 3, you are going to bring this out and shake. Every day, once in a day, bring it out and shake and leave it to sit again for 3 days. So I'm going to show you what this looks like in 3 days time. After 3 days, this is what it looks like. You can see that it is fully extracted, and I'm going to sieve this out. So you can go ahead and make use of this 3 times in a week. Spray it all over your hair or any hair that you are using it on. Just want to show you this is a spray bottle. So you are going to spread this out, apply it on your hair or any hair that you are making use of, whether it's your daughter or anybody's hair, and then do it 3 times in a week. Always ensure to keep your hair moisturized, because clove might be trying to your hair. So remember to keep it moisturized always. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and also do share this video with your friends. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe and come back to this channel for more videos like this.